Okay, we just have this tablet yesterday. They replaced my old one, so we gotta try this one today. Today is July 18. Okay, inside the house, you can see it can take picture so fast. And we're going to try it outside. See, there are more grass and green color. You see, it can't take picture. Alright, kaya pag-rate ko. Ayun. I'm gonna try it again. Huwag mo na ito. Huwag mo muna i-move. Wala. See, it's not taking picture. Only give us blank gray. So, what they do in Samsung Velez Center is they restart my unit. So we're going to restart the unit.
She's really mad today. I'm really mad. But if we take some slow breaths, your mad will go away. Breathe. Did that help? A little, but I'm still really mad. She's really mad today. I'm really mad. But if you march around the park, your mad will go away. March! 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 Did marching help? A little, but I'm still really
Okay, here we are again. Let's try the camera.
I'm really mad. But if you sing the song again, your mad will go away.
Okay. See, it doesn't have anything.
So do you still feel mad, baby Bob? No, I feel sad because
Nope.
I can't count, so I can't find the treasure. Our friends are playing a game that can help you learn to count. Come on.
Okay, that's it.